is no head, only two cartridges are HP DeskJet. Cartridge. Come to my channel. Today I am going to show you HP DeskJet Plus 4120 printer printing problem. So cartridge is showing average, color is full, black is 2 points, but still the printing is not coming properly. So let's check what is the issue. Start the video. Please like the video first. Not printing properly. So going to testing with the manual, taking photocopy. Open the tray. Printing is not coming properly. Okay, black and white we are testing. So not printing properly. So let's find out what is the issue. This is the page we're trying to print, but the printing is coming like this. So new cartridge we are using, but still this problem is there. Let's see what is the issue. Open the cartridge tray. So there is no head, only two cartridges inside. HP 305XL. Okay. Replacing the cartridge. Color cartridge. Okay. After replacing, we are testing the cartridge.
लैपटॉप में
This is a testing page after replacing the cartridge. So let's try photocopy. After replacing the cartridge, this is the print. This one is a before print. This is after changing the cartridge print. So it's a cartridge issue. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.